In this video, I'm going to show you how to share an Excel file through OneDrive in a quick and easy way. This is a really useful method if you want to send a spreadsheet to a coworker, classmate, or client without attaching huge files to email or worrying about version issues. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to upload the file, create a shareable link, choose the right permissions, and send it safely. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser and sign in with the Microsoft account that has your Excel file. Once OneDrive loads, go to My Files. This is where all of your stored documents and uploads are kept. If your Excel file is already there, you can move on to the next step. If not, upload it first so it appears in your file list. After that, locate the Excel file you want to share and click once to select it. Make sure the correct file is highlighted before continuing, especially if you have similar names or multiple spreadsheets saved in the same folder. Next, look at the top of the page and click Share. This is the main option that lets you generate a link or send access directly to someone else. After clicking Share, OneDrive will show you a set of link settings. Here you can decide who should be able to open the file. For example, you can choose anyone with the link if you want the file to be easy to access, or you can choose specific people if you want more control and only want certain users to open it. If the file contains sensitive information, specific people is usually the safer choice. If you only need to send a quick copy to a group and privacy is not a concern, the broader link option may be more convenient. Once you've selected the correct sharing option, click Apply. This confirms the permission settings and prepares the shareable link. After that, click Copy Link. OneDrive will copy the file link to your clipboard, which means you can paste it into an email, chat message, Microsoft Teams conversation, or anywhere else you want to share it. Now all you need to do is send the link to the person or people who need access. When they click it, they'll be able to open the Excel file based on the permissions you selected. If you chose specific people, they may need to sign in first. If you chose anyone with the link, they can usually access it more quickly, depending on your organization's settings. And that's really all there is to it. You've now shared an Excel file through OneDrive without having to attach it manually or worry about sending the wrong version. It's a simple workflow, but it can save a lot of time and make collaboration much easier. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.